Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to switch a lane, how to turn a bead without cutting a fish line. And what you are going to use is a bead cutter and a fish line 0.6. I'm going to use 0.6 fish line here, and the first thing I'm going to do here is cut my fish line and make sure it is not excess to avoid tangles and wasting of fish line. So I'm going to pick 4 bead, 1 2 3, and it can be any side of the fish line, then one more to cross it with the other side of the fish line. Make sure the strands are equal to avoid excess. Then the next one is we are going to pick 3 bead, 1 on each side of the fish line, then cross with 1 more, the last bead, with both sides of the fish line. Make sure both strands are equal, and we are going to continue this step a few more. Then pick 3 again, 1 on each side of the fish line, and cross with both sides of the fish line. Make sure you tighten your work for the bead to the intact and not to loose. Then pick 3 again, 1 2 on the second side, then cross with 1. I'm going to continue these steps a few more. Then pick 3 again, so we already make 5 here, and we are going to 10, but when we go to 9 we are going to stop and make our first turn. So let's count to 9 here. So this is the 9th lane, and the next thing we are going to do now is make our first turn. On this it is either right or left, so I'm going to take it on my right fish line. I'll drop 3 beads and cross with the 3rd bead. So 1 2 and 3. So I'm going to cross with the other side of the fish line. So here we go, our first turn without cutting a new fish line. Yeah, it's kind of easy. Please do not make a mistake. Just 3 on just one side of the fish line, then cross with the other side of the fish line, the 3rd bead with the other side of the fish line. So on the left fish line we're going to drop 3. Make sure it is the left, not the right, to avoid confusion. On the left fish line we are going to drop 3 beads, then cross with the other side of the fish line with the 3rd bead. So this is our first bead on the 2nd lane. Then pass through the right, make sure it is your right, pass through 1 bead on the right, then drop 2, not 3 this time around, just 2, then 1 2, and cross with the other side of the fish line. Here we go. Then we pass through again. This is the step we are going to repeat all through. After making your turn, this is the step. So 1 2, also it is no longer 3, it is just 3 at the beginning after you make a turn. So the rest are 2 beads. So pass through just 1 bead at the right, pick 2 beads, then you cross 1, 2, and cross your bead. One, then pick 2 and cross. After we weave to the last but 1 bead, make sure it is not the last bead, then last but 1 bead, then the same step, pick 2 and cross with the other side, then you pick 1 at the right as well. You pick 1, see, make sure your work is tightened very well to avoid loose later on, then pick 1 at the right. This is not going to be the right or the left. The only option here is your right fish line. You don't have any option either to pick the left or the right this time. Your right fish line, you're going to drop 2, not 3 as we did earlier, not 3. We are going to drop 2 beads, then cross with the other side to make your turn, and here is our turn. So the next move is exactly what we did earlier. We're going to drop 3 at the left, like the down part, the left, then we cross with the 3rd bead with the other side of the fish line. Let's go. I'm going to pick 3 beads, then 1, 2, and 3. Cross with the other side of the fish line. And here we go. This is the exact step I'm going to repeat. Either you are going to 100 lanes of beads, 10 lane, 15, 20. This is the exact step you are going to do. So good luck. If you have any question, comments below under this video, and I'll explain my next video. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, like and share. See you in my next video.